All right, I'm going to show how to import the game, fix the Maven POM issue, and get you started with working on the fix maze. So I'm working here with a clean Eclipse workspace, no projects imported. And here in the tree, I have downloaded the game auth file from Brains. I haven't done anything else with it, so I'm going to start by unzipping it. I'll head over here to Eclipse, go to File, Open Projects from the file system, and I'm going to navigate to that directory. Just selecting the top level folder. See, it scans through and it finds two folders, the one I selected and then this folder within that has an Eclipse project in it. I don't need the first one, so I'll unselect it. Select Finish here, and here I go. When you do this, depending on libraries you have pulled down, it may or may not have to load a bunch. That's go in here to the POM. You see there's a red X next to it. And I find it easier to edit this by going into the XML. If we were to build this, this would throw because it can't find starting at the first one, the drop wizard bomb of this version. And that makes sense. 0.x is not a real version. It's a placeholder that tells us that this sample code is supposed to work with any 2.0 point whatever version. So I'm going to go ahead and change this to 1. 2.0.0 works, 2.0.1 works, 2.0.2. There's a lot of versions that have been released of this. Out of habit, I just do 1. When I save this, you see that the red lines disappear, the red X disappear, and everything finishes loading. So down here, I have the tasks menu, tasks window open, and it shows the fix me's. These are the items that need to be completed before submitting the work. If you can't find that for some reason, go to Window, View, Tasks. Do not select Task List, that's different. Tasks. If we were to compile now, we would see that there are a couple issues. Those will be fixed, the readmes, the fix me's. So when those are completed, the code will build. One final note about fix me's. This tasks list is populated based off of the keyword of fix me. So even if you fix the code, that item won't drop off the list at the bottom. This application has no way of knowing that you fixed it correctly. It just looks for fix me's and populates the task list with it. So when you finish and fix the issue, go ahead and delete the comment, or at least delete the fix me word. Some people will go in and they'll put a space in here, which is usually enough to get it to drop off of the list when you save it. But if you need to search for where the fix me's were, you can search for fix me with a space in the middle. So that's a little hint. Hopefully that helps people get set up, and good luck.